Welcome back. As always, I am currently browsing around on the AIAgentStore.ai website.
Always finding the good stuff on there.
Oh, definitely. And today's target is Autonomys Agents. It's sitting right under their crypto AI agents category.
Right, which is a really active space right now.
Yeah, exactly. So the mission for you listening today is just to figure out exactly how this tool operates and, who it's actually built for.
Keep it concise and useful.
Exactly. Okay, let's unpack this because to really grasp why this framework matters, we have to look at the amnesia problem in typical AI workflows.
Oh, the blank slate issue.
Yeah.
I mean, most agents wake up with zero memory every single time they boot.
Right. No continuous sense of self at all.
Exactly, which just makes long-term interactions incredibly disjointed.
Well, looking at this page, though, Autonomys agents are actually running autonomous social media engagement, like specifically on Twitter.
With customizable character personalities, right?
Yeah. And they tie all of this to the Autonomys Network for permanent memory.
Okay, so that's basically like giving the AI an indestructible diary.
Right. An associative brain wired directly to a blockchain where every state and decision persists forever. But wait, how does an agent actually coordinate that dense web of permanent memory with active social behavior?
Without getting totally confused.
Yeah, exactly, like on the fly.
Well, what's fascinating here is the framework's built-in orchestration system.
Kind of like a central conductor.
Yeah, exactly like that. When the agent sees a tweet, the orchestrator doesn't just, spit out a generic reply.
Oh, it actually thinks first.
Right. It queries a vector database first. This maps memories by meaning and underlying concept, not just some linear timeline.
Wow, so it instantly pulls up relevant past interactions.
It does. And then it cross-references those retrieved memories with its assigned personality parameters.
And only then it executes a decision on chain. But wait, does this mean it runs entirely unchecked?
Letting an AI loose on Twitter with a permanent memory.
Yeah, I mean, that sounds like a recipe for a complete PR disaster.
Oh, for sure. That is exactly why it operates at an 80% autonomy level, not 100.
Okay, so what's that missing 20% then?
That's your human-defined sandbox. The framework seamlessly ties that verifiable on-chain memory to real-time interactions, but it still relies on developer-defined constraints.
Got it. Predefined tooling boundaries to keep the AI from going totally off the rails.
Exactly.
So if this AI has this verifiable permanent memory on-chain, how hard is it to actually build that bridge?
Well, that's the catch, isn't it?
Yeah, because looking at the GitHub repo, this is aimed squarely at AI engineers, automation engineers, and blockchain developers.
It's definitely not for the casual user.
Right. And here's where it gets really interesting. The framework itself is a free open source repository, but it's not some frictionless plug-and-play magic.
Far from it.
You still have to bring your own external credentials, like an OpenAI API key.
Right, to actually power that vector database we were just talking about.
Exactly. The open source architecture gives you the structure, but you are entirely responsible for providing the compute power.
And the data processing capabilities. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, you really have to heed the maintainer's explicit warnings.
Oh, you mean the early active development label on the repo?
Yeah, they state outright that the main branch might have breaking changes.
So it's highly experimental.
Very.
Yeah.
I mean, mapping complex vector retrieval to immutable blockchain records is tough. If you're a developer prototyping how an agent maintains an identity over months, it's an incredible toolkit.
But for teams needing immediate, rock-solid production stability.
You need to tread very, very carefully.
Yeah, it is definitely a frontier meant for people who want to actively build the guardrails.
Not just coast on them, yeah.
Yeah.
Which naturally leads us to a broader implication.
Yeah.
This raises an important question. If an AI uses permanent on-chain memory to persist its reasoning, while independently operating a highly customizable personality on social media, at what point does its digital footprint become just as complex and just as permanent as a human's?
Oh, wow. That is a slightly terrifying yet incredibly fascinating thought to leave you all with.
It really makes you rethink digital identity.
Absolutely. Well, if you want to explore the framework and try building one of these associative brains for yourself, remember to visit AIAgentStore.ai.
Definitely go check it out.
And a big thank you for rating the podcast. It really helps us out. Catch you next time.